Hey guys, what is up? Thank you for coming back to my channel for another video. If you are new, hey, what's up? Welcome. My name is Darlene Marie and I'm really glad to have you guys here for another video. So guys, for today's video, we're going to be decluttering my entire closet. Yikes. So you guys, I more than likely have clothes in my closet probably since like 2012. I'm not even lying. We're in 2019. I have really big problems. I just can't let go of clothes, and I keep moving my camera. Sorry about that. Yeah. I don't know why I just don't let go of stuff. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I need to go through it. I'm not going to lie. I kind of have already started the process because I was forced to go through it because somebody said I have way too many clothes, and I was like, fine, I'll go through it. But we only got through like my winter stuff, so we only went through like coats, jackets, and like sweaters. I still need to go through like all my summer t-shirts, like regular shirts, dresses, like all my kimono, stuff like that. I went through all of my drawers. So I do live in a really older home, so I have like one of those tiny closets. I don't have a walk-in closet. So I have my regular closet. I have two clothes racks, one in my bedroom and one like kind of in the hallway. Sorry, Mom. So we're gonna go through all that. And yeah, I have a lot of clothes, y'all, so I don't know how exactly I'm going to film this video. If I'm going to show you guys like keeping this, I'm donating it, or I'm going to sell it, get rid of it, whatever, or if I'm just going to speed through it and kind of give you guys a like overview of what I'm doing. Yeah, so we're gonna figure it out as we go, because I kind of was just gonna do like a whole, like, my original idea of this video was to do like a whole like no edit video of my entire complete wardrobe, because I had been wanting to film this video for like 2 months, because I had been telling myself, that's not 2 months, I had been telling myself I was going to film this video, but somebody was like, no, you got to do this, and we're doing it now. And I was like, okay, whatever. So he made me do it, and we did it. So we already started the process. In that huge bag right there is all of the stuff that I'm getting rid of, and more will be added to that, and I'll show you guys at the end what else we added to that. But this is gonna be a process, y'all, so let's begin. And I'm gonna show you guys my clothes racks and everything right now. Let's go. Okay, so I had to turn my AC on, so I hope that the sound isn't too annoying in the background. But here's my tiny closet. As you can see, it's really small. That's how big it is. And I kind of already went, this is like all my jackets, like pretty much right here. And this is like kind of like some t-shirts and like work shirts. Some dresses here, and like some sweaters and like skirts and stuff. I kind of already went through it, but I'm gonna go through this one more time just to make sure. Let me show you guys the rack outside. Okay, here is the ugly rack outside. Yeah, it's quite a mess. I mainly have here kind of just like a bunch of like shirts, tank tops, different things like that, long sleeve shirts, t-shirts. Sorry it's so dark in here. I don't know like what's going on with the lighting right now. Done best. But I'm gonna go through all of this. This stuff is like super old, but yeah, I know there's gonna be a lot of winners that's gonna go bye-bye in here. Okay, hello, now we are super bright in my room. Let me fix this. Okay, so this is the clothes rack I had in my bedroom. So I was moving it from that corner over here, and I may or may not have broken the base. Nobody tell Matthew, he's gonna kill me. He made this for me as he's making like all of my custom wood things over there. Oh my gosh. So now I have this pile of clothes here, which it ain't works, but I had that clothes rack, my closet, and the clothes rack outside. Don't mind my mess, guys. Sorry. But yeah. So I'm going to set you guys down and we are going to get to sorting out all my stuff and but it's one of my favorites and I cannot let it go. It's so beautiful. Look at the bag. I can't say no to this. I want to, but I can't. This shirt from Forever 21 is so cute, but it shrunk, so it will fit someone that is a tad bit smaller. So cute though. Oh, by the way, keeping pile, giving away pile. Y'all, I want to keep this so bad. It's so cute, but every time I wear it, it like hurts so bad on the sides. Ugh. here is the verdict. So, whew, I am keeping this pile and keeping this pile and getting rid of this pile and everything in this black bag. So, I think I did pretty good. I am going to hang all this up and I am going to count and fold and organize all this stuff in that black bag and in this bag and tally up everything that I am going to give away. And yeah, this is going to be interesting because now I have to put all this stuff up. But I honestly think I did really good. What do you guys think? I think I did really, really good because considering that this is a mixture of like t-shirts, some jackets, and some dresses, like I think I did really well. And that's like some dresses and maybe like a couple cardigans and kimonos. And also I was listening to Carrie Dayton in the background, so I don't know if I'm fast forwarding all through because I talked in some parts, so if you heard her, my apologies, but I love her. And if you can hear the AC again, my apologies. It is so hot today, y'all. But yeah, so I'm gonna tally this all up and see what I got. See you guys in a second. Alrighty, you guys, so here is all the stuff that I took out today that I am going to be getting rid of. Went ahead and put it all in nice piles for y'all, and here are all of the hangers. Yeah, a lot, isn't it? These are all tops, t-shirts, blouses, dresses, jackets, good stuff. And then over here in the black bag, so I was going to take all this out and fold it, but it's just too much work. It's a lot, you guys. Just take my word for it. This is all like pants. Like pants, t-shirts, jackets, bras. I actually do not wear bras anymore. I kept a few. These are like worn or barely worn, so I mean I don't know if anybody wants to buy them or what, or I'm just gonna donate them. But y'all, I have like so many Victoria's Secret bras that I like barely wore, so I'm gonna get rid of all these bras or just donate them because I just wear bralettes now. I'm keeping like maybe 5 of them just in case, but I do not wear bras. I have so many cardigans, so many jackets, like so many leggings, sweatpants, just jeans down there that no longer fit me or it's not my style. Like just so many things down there. I can't even like get to the bottom of it. Like this bag is huge, but yeah, that's all that. Let me give you guys the grand total. Actually, let me sit down real quick. Hold please. Okay, before I sit down, I want to show you guys how much of an improvement I have done in this closet. This entire closet used to be full. I need to change my hangers out. I know. That's the next project to do. Gosh, doesn't that look absolutely amazing? Wow. This is all my workout tops and tank tops and just regular tops and some t-shirts, but oh my gosh. Doesn't that look beautiful? I am so proud of myself. So proud of myself. Alright guys, so I have my notes here. As you guys saw, I was going to take everything out of the black. I was like, is black the right word? I'm so tired, you guys. I was going to take everything out of the black trash bag and fold it and show you guys, but I am just beat. This was crazy. I didn't know decluttering was so exhausting, but it really is. I'm getting rid of 10 jackets, and that is including like sweaters, hoodies, kimonos, any types of like vests or sweaters, 14 dresses, 15 bottoms including leggings, shorts, athletic bottoms, what else? Skirts, anything like that. 25 bras. Y'all, I don't wear bras anymore. I have collected a lot throughout the years. I used to be a Victoria's Secret like bra junkie. All of my underwear are Victoria's Secret, and all my bras had to, like, all of my bra and underwear had to be Victoria's Secret. I still only wear Victoria's Secret underwear, but my bras could only be Victoria's Secret, and now I'm like, whatever. I mean, I still kind of sometimes buy their bralettes, but y'all, I have nothing but pink bras, and they're like brand new, and I don't even know what to do with them now because they're just like, they've been collecting dust for like 2 years because I only wear bralettes. I'm keeping like 5 like good ones, but I don't even wear them. Y'all, I had 62 tops that I am getting rid of. That's including tank tops, workout tops that don't fit me, that I've had forever. So some of them I'm actually going to like actually throw away too. So don't think I'm like going to be selling some of these. Some of these I have to like actually throw out too. 62 tops including workout tops, tank tops, like work tops, professional tops, because I used to work in an office. I used to have an office job too for the last like 4 years. I'm like, how do I have all these clothes but I never have nothing to wear? It's because like none of it's my style now. So even when I was putting the clothes that I'm keeping away, I'm like, none of this, like, I was still pulling stuff out, and I'm just like, girl, you're not gonna wear this, like, you're not like. But anyways, it's gonna conclude my video. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with all those clothes. I'm just staring at that pile. Y'all, it's a lot of clothes, but I am happy with the progress. Alrighty, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I absolutely love watching declutter videos. That gives me so much motivation to just get up and clean my room, whatever. I actually filmed a whole video decluttering my own makeup collection because I was watching so many declutter videos of people decluttering all their makeup collection. I was like, you know what, I need to film one, and I got rid of so much makeup. And I was watching people decluttering their closets, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film one, and that's what I did because I've collected so much clothes that don't fit me, and it was driving me crazy. So yeah, hopefully this will give you some motivation to just clean your closet. And I was gonna say spring clean your life away, but it's like summer already, so that was pointless. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching and for sticking around, and I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.